The world that youths like yourselves are stepping into is one where AI plays a big role in everyday life. Whether it is in your studies or your future job, understanding AI is quickly turning into an indispensable skill today.
You may find that you are more creative and innovative when you have a good AI tools with you. They help to create ideas, they help to synthesize ideas, they help to master the knowledge that you need to master.
Always be ready to unlearn and learn new things. The technology is changing so fast, you always want to be learning and changing yourself to adapt to the new technologies.
Let us ensure that AI remains for the public good and to deliver meaningful impact to all of us, to Singapore, ASEAN and beyond.